Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm still remain your girl Chamaka Akumago. Yes, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a YouTube channel from scratch. Yes, I have a YouTube channel. How you can set it up. I have a YouTube channel that I just created this December, and I'm going to put you through on how you can put them together. Yes, let's go to it right away. I'll be looking at my laptop. And then I'll be recording my screen and show you how to go about it. So yeah, if I'm looking down, just know that I'm looking at my screen. So we'll start by going to our YouTube studio. Yes, you type in YouTube studio or you type in no, dashboard desktop YouTube studio. Yes, anyone that works for you. So you start it right away, and when you click it, it's going to open. Yeah, I'm taking time. Oh, the screen is taking time. So we are on my desktop right away. Yeah, this is my dashboard. My new YouTube channel is Chamaka's Lifestyle. So if it's your first time knowing that I have a second channel, you can as well support me in that too. Yeah. So we have desktop, we have content, we have community, we have subtitle, we have copyright. So make sure that anytime you post a video, you always come to this, copyright side to make sure that your video is not having any issue with copyright. And then how you can also be free from that is when you post a video, make sure you put it on list, and then when it has finished uploading, YouTube will notify you that your videos are good to go for you to publish it. And with that, you know that you have published a video without having any problem with copyright. Yeah, we go to customization. Yeah, in customization, when you open a YouTube channel, remember you have to create an email with Google. You create an email, and when you create an email, you from there you customize it to be a YouTube channel. Yeah, from there we are in our profile. So I use Canva to design this is my banner. So you have to, when you go to Canva, make sure that you use the aspect ratio for for this banner. If not, after you finish designing it, it will not come up, or it will not show. Some of them will not be showing in the screen. Like now, the bold part of it is when people are watching it on television on the big screen, and then the little part of it, the second to the little part, is laptop, and that's how your banner is going to show. And then the last one is the phone, mobile phone, and that's how your banner is going to look like. So if you don't use the right aspect ratio, which is 20:048 times 1152, so instead of you calculating all that, just go to Canva, type in YouTube banner. It's going to give you the right aspect ratio, and then you use it to design your banner. And then it comes to profile picture, the same thing. It has another, preferred size that you will use to get your profile. But if you not put it and you're not okay with what you just put, you can as well design another one and place it there. Here we come to the name. You choose a perfect name for yourself. Make sure you choose a name that it will be easier for people to, when they are searching it, it will be easy for them to search. And make sure the handle, most people have, their name is different from their handle. Make sure that two of them correspond, so that when they are looking for your name, it will not be difficult to locate you on anywhere. So in the description, you can type in what your channel is all about, and you can see here, I say just welcome to my channel. It's all about my lifestyle. So in this channel, I just share things about my lifestyle, how I do my things, how my cookings, and every other thing about me. So that's why I don't want to put too much of description. Then here you can add in, okay, the YouTube has already generated the URL for you, and then the link. Here, I've not put that. I can as well put it later on. So it's not a compulsory that you will do it at the particular day that you open your channel. So because every time you can be reshuffling and putting things in order. So here you can add in order of your social media accounts, like your Twitter account. You can copy the link and put it here. When you click on it, it will bring, you can see here is where you put the title. That's the name of your social media account, all of the social media accounts, and then here is going to be the link. You can see how it is. So now I'm not putting anything. Likewise, I'm going to just delete it off because I am not putting any link at the moment. So you can put that, put your Facebook, put your Twitter, put your TikTok, and if you have other second channel, you can also put it there. And then it comes to email. This email is very important because of hackers and people that are always disturbing our channel. You can also create a new email that you can use, because it's very important for you to put an email there, so that any brand that wants to endorse you, or anybody that wants you to be an influencer to their business or anything, they can reach you through your email. So but you have to be very careful that you not put the email that has to do with your channel. Yeah, that has to do with your channel, because if they hack that email, they can hack your access account. Access account is what YouTube used to pay you. Yeah, for those that are monetized, they can hack it and get access to your money. They can also hack your email and take over your email. So you have to be very, very careful with the email you put here. And then the watermark, I have the watermark in my old channel. Yes, this channel you're looking at now. You remember I'm doing this in my new channel. So you can actually put a watermark here or not. That watermark has to do with where people can click on your video. Anytime you post a video, instead of looking for your subscription, they can click on the screen of that video you're watching and then subscribe to your channel. And remember, after you do everything, if you have changed everything, don't forget to click on this publish. Yes, and then after that, the next one is home tab. This home tab has to do with you setting how you want your videos to appear for a new subscriber, someone that just subscribed to your channel and the person wants to get to know you more. So this is how the interface of your home page or home tab is going to be like. So don't forget to turn it on, show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. And after you turn it on, and these are all the layouts. So in this layout, you have to put a spotlight for returning subscribers. That means a video that you know that anytime your subscribers are coming, the ones you know that you have much view, maybe your viral video or anything. But as a new YouTuber, you can just pick the major ones that are coming. You can see in this channel now, I think I have only 6 videos here. So most of the time, all these may not really play. So all you need to do is to make sure that you put your it puts for you section. I don't have much video, because if you have much video, you can put for you section. So if you click on that add section, you can add your video and your short. So for now, I have my videos and my short. I have 2 videos there and 4 short. So this is how you do it. And if you want to add your popular videos, you just click on that video, on this popular video, you click on it and it will also appear as your popular videos. And yes, and you can also go again, click on it if you are on a live stream. Remember, you have to have like 50 subscribers before you can go live as a new YouTuber. So now I'm not yet up to 50, so I'm not going to turn this live now on. I'm not going to turn it on, or upcoming live streaming, because I'm not ready to live stream at the moment. So by the time you do all this, put on your featured channels, top clip and all those stuff, if you have all those ones, you can put it. But as a new YouTuber, you may not probably have this, and any changes you make on this particular phase, make sure you publish. Because I put that popular video, I have to do what? Publish it. So we are done with customization. These are very important. The profile and the home tab, very, very important when it comes to setting up your YouTube channel. And when we are done with that, what do we do? You can see change publish, go to your YouTube, your channel, for you to see how it appears. Then after that, what do we do? Go to your settings. Make sure that your settings are in order. Go to your settings, and then your general setting, that's the currency that you want to be paid with in when you get up to monetization stage. So here I put dollar, US dollar. Then you go to channel. When it comes to channel, make sure you put your current country for residence. So whichever country you're watching from, or you are streaming from, or you are, make sure you put it. So currently I'm in Nigeria, so my current residence is country residence is Nigeria. And then here, the keywords are very important. These keywords has to do with what your channels are all about, what you'll be sharing in your channel, so that it will be easy as a keyword for people to, when all these keywords pop up when somebody is searching, your videos can also pop up as well. Very, very important. And then these advanced settings. Yes, if you know your videos are not for kids, just put it here automatically instead of make anytime you post a video you want to go and turn it off and turn it on. If not, you will forget and it's not good for your channel. So in as much as for you to do that, all you need to do, come here to this advanced setting, click that your videos are not meant for kids. You can see that the first one is meant for kids, the second one is not meant for kids, and the third one, I want to review the setting for every video. That means if you want to do that, that means any video you want to post, you can as well make, be setting it up there. Yeah, and that's it for now. And you can see other settings that are there. And then we'll go to feature eligibility. So if you, as a new YouTuber, make sure that all these standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features, they are all enabled. Very, very important. Make sure that they are green and they are enabled. If they are not enabled, sometimes you will not getting views on your channel. Sometimes whenever you upload a video and all the stuff, you'll be having issue with it. And then when you finish everything, make sure you click on the save. I'm not making any changes, so no need of putting save. Then upload defaults. There are so many people that find it difficult to create description. So if you know that your videos are almost the same or in line with everything, you can customize a description. Instead of you coming to write on description, you can customize or maybe put your email, put your phone number or something. If your channel has to do with something that people can reach you out to, but make sure the phone number you're putting is not your primary phone number, so that you don't have issue with that. For not people that doesn't matter come and be disturbing you with your phone number. Yeah, this description you can customize it anytime you post a video. This customized description will be there. So I will advise you not to customize a title, because most of the videos are not the same. So anytime you put in a video, you can as well put in the title, but the description you can put on some of them as a customized, so that it will come up in any other video you post. And then in this advanced, you put in the standard YouTube license is always there. The category, yeah, you make sure you put in the category. Is your video on education, entertainment, film, and all that? All these things are the category. Is very, very important for you to set. I didn't set all these things so that when I'm doing the tutorial, I can set it together with you guys. That's why I didn't set it. So I can still put it how to and style, because it's all about Chamaka style. And then how to, I can also share some things that people can learn how to do. Yeah, so it's going to be on how to. And then video language, you can select English or any other country that you're in and all those stuff. So probably I'm going to select English. Yeah, where's the English? Let me use English, maybe United Kingdom. And title and description language, you can also select all these ones. You're just making it to be, you're customizing it here. Reason being that anytime you post a video, you don't need to come back here to start setting it up again. It's already here. Comments, make sure you turn your comments on so that you can communicate with your besties, just like I call them. Make sure your comments are always on instead of off. If you turn it off, you're not going to know you're not going to know when your audience wants to reach out to you or say something nice concerning your video. But if you post a video that has to do with kids, but your channel is not for kids, YouTube would automatically turn it off because it's made for kids. So that's where you will see turn off. Show how many viewers like this video. There are some people that doesn't want people to know how many views they have in their channel. So if you're the kind of people that don't want people to see it, or you're on a live stream, you don't want to show how many viewers that likes your video or on your live stream, you can quickly turn it off. But while we turn it off, this going to give you encouragement that you're posting a video and people are watching it. Anytime you look at the views, it will encourage you that, oh, you are doing something right. And after that, all you need to do is to save. So in this permission, remember, whenever you give somebody permission, that means I've given that person access to your video or to your channel. So anything that happens in your channel, they have access to it. They can even log you out to do whatever they want to do in your channel. So whoever you're giving access to, be make sure or permission to your channel. Be very, very careful that you know that person and it's not someone that you know that can hurt you. But you know, people change every time. So even if you want to give them access, don't make them, you can invite them over here and then put their email address and then click on the access you're going to give them. So it's either you give them the manager, it's either you give them the editor, you give editor a limited. Okay, very important. You can use this limited. That means they don't have much access to other things that in your channel. Same permission as editor, but can't view revenue data. That means this editor limited cannot view your revenue. They cannot view your other stuff, but they can make some changes in your channel. But very, very be careful whoever you're giving access to your channel. So here, that's how you invite people to your channel. But if you don't invite anyone and you come here and you see somebody, quickly report or you delete them. If not, that's a hacker. They've come to your channel to hack your channel. And which other one? Community, very important. Whenever you're on a live stream and you want to give some people permission, give them blue jacket, just like we call it. Yeah, when you give them blue jackets, try as much as you can to give them standard. Don't give them managing moderators, because when you give them managing moderators, they have access to end the live streaming. They have access to, change things, to write comments and every other thing. But standard, they can use it to, support each other, click on other people's that are also on your live stream, to go to their channel and subscribe to those people, like support and all those stuff. But when you're giving them managing moderator, that means you have given them access to end that live streaming or change the title of that live stream and every other thing. So all these things, be sure of when you are doing all stuff. Yeah, make sure, because your channel is where you make your money and you have to be careful with who you give access to. Yeah, this comment on your channel is turned on. I know that that's the default. And when it comes to agreement, it's nothing for you now because you are not monetized. This is always, accessible for those that are monetized. So in this my channel, I have agreements, all the ones I've agreed, and yeah, with YouTube on the YPP or partnership program. Yeah, that's when you will see it, when you are monetized. And after we are done with all the things in the setting, what do? You save them, and voila, your channel is as good as ready for you to get more views, for you to get more subscribers and everything. You can see it's very easy peasy for you to set up your channel whenever you are as a new YouTuber or something like that. Yeah, any YouTuber, for those, because I'm rooting for you guys, for those that will be coming up this 2025. Yeah, 2025 it's so true away. Yeah, few weeks before you know it, we're in 2025. So if you are someone watching this video and you are not yet, a YouTuber, you are just here supporting us, you can also try as much as you can to open a YouTube channel and do as your strength can carry you. As long as you are here, you're not wasting time, you're not wasting your data, you're not wasting all that for nothing's sake. So I'm rooting for you, both old subscribers and new subscribers. I had to all thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your besties. Thank you so much for watching.